Hello, beauty world, beauty professional, and all the beauty industry. I am coming to you today because I want to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Robin Lewis, and I've been doing hair for over 29 years. I fell in love with hair because I was unable to go to the beauty salon as a young teenager. So I basically started off braiding my own hair, and that led to me to doing more. In 2006, I proceeded to get my cosmetology license because I needed theory. I knew how to do a lot of basics, applications, relaxer, jerry curls, and things of that nature, weaving, and most of the practical that the state offer, but I just needed to know it the proper way and how to also get my license to become a licensed professional in my field. As I came down along the way, I started to make wigs because I wanted something different. At times I didn't want to cut my hair, so I decided to start to make wigs in terms of gluing it on the stocking cap and incorporating it to my hair because I was also wearing a lot of weaves. So I wanted something to last a little longer. I will be able to take care of my hair underneath and still have that beautiful looking wig being in the same condition, and it's not having a lot of wear and tear on it. So I started making my own wig. I also have my own wig line, and I want to come into the schools and teach the students to make wigs if they are interested and they want to know more and they can do more, and they can also increase their income for their business, especially when it comes to hair loss. There's so many people who battle in hair loss, and through trauma, medication, medical, and the environment. And with that say, I started to mess around with wigs because I like to change up, pretty often and so forth. So that